Okay, so you want to protect your WinRAR files with password? Well, I have the solution. This tutorial is very simple. The first thing you have to do is locate the files that you want to encrypt with a password. And the next step is to select them. Right click. Next step is to press this option from WinRAR, the first one that appears. And then you have to press below here, set password, and you have to write the password. I will write one password here. Show password, okay. So, okay, accept. When you want to extract it, it will ask for the password. So I'm going to write it, and as you can see, it worked. And it asks me to replace it because the file already exists in the folder, but this is the simplest way to do this. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video. Goodbye and easy way.